Data backup and recovery, the best small business owner's guide. In today's digital age, data is the lifeblood of any business. Without it, companies can face severe financial losses and reputational damage. Data backup is a copy of the data stored on a computer or network. It can be used to restore the original data in the event of data loss, from accidental deletion of files to a full-scale cyber attack. One of the most critical components of data management is having a robust data backup and recovery plan in place. A shocking 43% of companies that experience data loss go out of business within 5 years. A data recovery plan is a set of procedures used to restore data from a backup in the event of data loss. It includes regularly scheduled backups, multiple copies of data stored in different locations, and testing of backups to ensure they can be restored. Implementing a data backup and recovery plan can protect against data loss and allows for quick restoration of data, minimizing downtime and financial losses. However, backing up and storing large amounts of data can be expensive, and some businesses may not have the resources to implement a comprehensive plan. For small businesses, the first step is to identify critical data. Then, choose a backup method that suits your needs, schedule regular backups, and test them to ensure they can be successfully restored. Store multiple copies of backups in different locations, and review and update the backup plan regularly. It's also crucial to train employees on backup procedures and how to restore their own files. Finally, develop a disaster recovery plan that outlines procedures for restoring data in the event of a disaster. Remember, having a robust backup and recovery plan in place is essential for compliance with industry regulations and standards. It's not just about protecting your data, it's about ensuring the survival of your business.